Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Manir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do Unit 3 Factors and Multiples of Maths Wise. Exercise 1. Try to these numbers using the divisibility rules. Serial number 1. 198. Number 198 is the number even or odd. Is the number even by 2. 2 4s are 8. The whole value is divisible by 2. Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18. Yes. 5. 5 is the not divisible by 198 is not divisible by 5. 891. 891 is the number even to no. 1 is the odd number. 1 is the odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Yes. 891. 3 2s are 6. Carry 2. 3 7s are 21. No. 3 9s are 27. And 2 3 7s are 21. Yes. Part 3. 819 is the number of even. No. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Is it divisible by 5? No. 930. Serial number 4. 930 is the number of even. Yes. 0 is the number of even. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 3 is 9. 3 10s are 30. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. 5 1s are 5. 4 carry 43. 5 8s are 40. 3 carry 30. 5 6 are 30. 900. Serial number 5. 900 is the number even by 2. Yes. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 0. Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. 0 0. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. 5 1s are 5. 4 carry. 5 8s are 40. And carry 0. Exercise 2. Complete the following sentences. A number with 0 in the units column is divisible by 0. Numbers are not divisible by 2. ऐसे numbers जो 2 पर divide ना हो, that is called odd numbers. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. All multiples of have 0 in the units column. All multiples of numbers. All multiples of numbers have 0 in the units column. Exercise 3. Copy and complete the following table. Remember to use the divisibility rules. 218. 18 last digit of 8. 8 is divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Yes. Divisible by 3. No. 218 is the even number. Divisible by 5. No. 500 divisible by 2. Yes. Divisible by 3. No. And divisible by 5. Yes. And third, 345. 345 is not divided by 2. And divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. And 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 9s are 45. 671. 671. 1 is a prime factor. 1 is a prime factor. So 2 cannot divide 671. And as we say, divisible by 3, not divided by 3. 671 not divided by 5, not divided by 5. 375. 375. Yes. 375 divisible by 3, yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, and divisible by 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, plus 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 299. 9 is the odd number, so we can say 2 is not divisible by 299, and divisible by 3, no, divided by 299, and divisible by 5 is not a divide to 199. 450, 450, 0 is a 0 number is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 0, and divisible by 5, 5 9s are 45, 0, 5 90s are 450, 986, 986, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. Yes, so 986 is divided by 2 and divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 carry 26. So 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24. So we can say 986 is not divided by 3, and 5 is not divided by 5. Last value 1000. 1000 is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Divisible by 3 to 1000, it is not divided by 3, and divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Yes, so 1000 is divided by 5. Exercise 4. Find the sum of the first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers. Answer 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 28 equal 28. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 11 equal 28. Find the sum of the first 5 prime number. Prime number. What is prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself is known prime number. A number that is divisible only by itself is known prime number. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 11. We add these number, so your sum value of 28. Question number 6. Can you find the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Prime number is 2. Question number 9. Find the sum of all composite number between 1 and 20. 1 and 20 composite number. Composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. What is composite number? What is composite number? A composite number is a positive integer that can be formed by multiplying by 2 smaller positive integers. Equivalently, it is a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. For example, the integer of 14 is a composite number because it is the product of the 2 smaller integers 2 multiplied by 7. So we can say वो values जो दूसरे टेबल पर डिवाइड हो जाएं वो कंपोजिट नंबर कहलाते हैं. 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 3 3 9, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 3 5 15, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20, तो 4 प्लस 6 प्लस 8 प्लस 9 प्लस 10 प्लस 12 प्लस 14 प्लस 15 प्लस 16 plus 18 plus 20. We add these number, the sum of value of 132. Question number 4. What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest prime number less than 100? Smallest prime number equal to prime number. Prime number, a number that is divisible only by itself, is called prime number. Greatest prime number ऐसे वर्ड्स, ऐसे नंबर जो अपने अलावा दूसरों पर तकसीम ना होते हों. ग्रेटेस्ट प्राइम नंबर 97. तो सो डिफरेंस बाय दी टू नंबर्स 97 एंड 2. 97 सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 इक्वल 95. 97 subtract 2, 2 subtract from 97, that is your answer 95. Exercise 5. By arranging counters, find the factors of these numbers. 35. 35 divide 1, 135 are 35, and 35 divide 5, 5 sevens are 35. 35 divide 7, oh, 7, 7 5s are 35. 35 divide 35, 35 1s are 35. 1, 5, 7, 35 are factors of 35. 1, 7, 1, 5, 7, 35 are factors of 35. Question number 1. By arranging counters, find the factors of these numbers. E part 18. 18 divide 1, 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 6 3s are 18. Read the table of 9. 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18. 1 2 3 6 9 18 are factors of 18, are factors of 18. Exercise 5. Question number 2. Find the factors of following numbers. Write them down in your exercise book. A part A equal 5. 1 multiplied by 5. 1 5 is 5. Part H 40. 1 40 is 40. 2 multiplied by 20. 2 20s are 40. 4 10s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 20 and multiplied by 40. Question number 3. Is 12 a factor of 36? Answer: factor of 36. Factor of 36. 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36. मेरे साथ टेबल जो है वो रीड करें. 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6s are 36. Yes. Is that 12 factor of 36? Yes. 12 is a factor of 36. 12. 12 is a factor of 36. So we can say yes, 12 is a factor of 36. Question number 4. Is 16 a factor of 64? Answer: factor of 64. 1 64s are 64, 2 32s are 64, 4 16s are 64, 8 8s are 64. So we can say 16 is a factor of 64. Yes, 16 is a factor of 64. Exercise number 6. Write down all the multiples of 6 between 20 and 50. Between 20 and 50. Read the table of 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, and 6 nines are 54. The 54 value is the greater than of 50. So we can say 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Question number 3. Find the sum of the first 7 multiples of 7. Answer: the first 7 multiples of 7 are 7. Read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49. The first 7 multiple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiples, 7 sevens are 49. Sum of multiples are, we add these values: 7 plus 14, 14 plus 21, 21 plus 28, 28 plus 35, 35 plus 42, 42 plus 49 equal 196. We add these numbers, so we get answer 196. Exercise 7. Match each car to the correct pump. 4, 28, 12, 32, 24. 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. 4 threes are 12. 4 six are 24. 4 eights are 32. Question number 2. 11, 55, 22, 99, 66. 11 ones are 11. 11 fives are 55. 11 twos are 22. 11 nines are 99. And 11 sixes are 66. Question number 3. 16, 32, 88, 48 and 80. 8 twos are 16. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 elevens are 88. 8 sixes are 48. 8 tens are 80. Question number 4. Multiples of 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 eights are 72. 9 tens are 90. Exercise 8. Question number 1. Write down the factors of the following numbers. Circle the ones that are prime numbers. Part C. 36. Prime numbers. Prime number: a number that divisible only by itself is noun prime number. 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 1 36 are 36. 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 6 6 are 36. The prime factors, prime numbers of this question 2 and 3. Question number 1. Write down the factors of the following numbers. Circle the ones that are prime numbers. 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. 1 50s are 50. 2 25s are 50. 5 10s are 50. 25 twos are 50. 51s are 50. The prime number of this question 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5, these number that is divisible only by itself. Exercise 8. Question number 2. Use the tree method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. Part D. 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 is the prime number and 7 is the prime number. Two numbers that is divisible only by itself. 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is the prime numbers. Question number 2. Use the tree method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. 40. 2 twos are 4, 0. 2 20s are 40. 20. 2 ones are 2, 0. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 2 and 5 is the prime numbers. 2 and 5 is the prime number, 2 and 5 is the prime number. So we can say these are two numbers that is divisible only by itself. Exercise 8. Use the short division method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. Part A, 15. 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Prime factors of 15. Prime factors, prime numbers. Prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Question number 3. Use the short division method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. 60. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 10. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Prime factors of 60, 2, 2, 3 and 5. 2, 2, 3 and 5. Exercise 9. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following pairs of numbers by listing the factors. Are there any pair of co-prime numbers among them? A. What is co-prime number? What is co-prime number? Co-prime number in a number theory, two integers. In a number theory, two integers A and B are said to be relatively prime, multiple prime and co-prime numbers. Part A, 9 and 12. 9 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Equal 9. Multiples of 9. 3 factors of 9. 3 multiplied by 3. 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 12 factors of 12. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. The common prime factor is 3. The highest common prime factor is 3. HCF, the highest common prime factor is 3. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following pairs of numbers by listing the factors. Are there any pairs of co-prime numbers among them? Co-prime number, the number theory, two integers A and B are said to be relatively prime, mutual prime and co-prime numbers. 14 and 20. 14 is divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Factors of 14, 2 multiplied by 7. Factors of 20, 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. The highest common prime factor is 2. The prime factor of 2. The highest common prime factor of 2. Prime factor is equal to 2. Exercise 9. Question 1. Find the HCF by the following pairs of numbers by drawing a Venn diagram for each. Are any of these pairs of co-prime numbers? 16 and 24. Factors of 16. 1 16s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Factors of 16. 1 2 4 8 and 16. Factors of 24. 1 24s are 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. So factors of 24 we can say 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Common numbers of 16 and 24. 2 4 and 8. And factor of 16 non-common number is 16 and factor of 24 में non-common numbers 3 6 12 and 24. The highest common factor of 8. The highest common factor of 8. Question number 1. Find the ACF of the following pair of numbers by drawing a Venn diagram for each or any of these pairs of co-prime number. What is co-prime number? Co-prime number in a number theory, two integers a and b are said to be relatively prime, mutual and co-prime. Part D, 13 and 15. Factors of 13. 1 multiplied by 13. 13 is a prime factor. Factor of 15. 15, 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Factors of 15, 1 3 5 15. Numbers that do not have any common factor except 1 are called co-prime numbers. Therefore 13 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Exercise 11. Find the least common multiple of the following numbers by listing their multiples. 9 and 12. 9. The table of 9. Read the table of 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72 and carry on. Factor of 12. The table of 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. 12 7s are 84 and carry on. Common multiples of 9 and 12. 9 and 12. Common multiples of 9 and 12. 36 and 72. 36 and 72. 36 and 72 is the common multiple of 9 and 12. So least common factor of 9 and 12 is 36. Least common factor. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing their multiples. Part E, 5 and 11. 5. The table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55 and so on. And the factor of 11. 11. The table of 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. 11 6s are 66. 11 7s are 77. So least common factor of 5 and 11 equal 5. 55. 55. Exercise 11. Question number 2. Find the least common multiple of the following numbers by prime factorization. Part A, 7 and 12. 7 and 12. 2 7 कैरी करेंगे, 2 6 are 12 and 7 रिपीट कैरी करेंगे, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 7 1s are 7. तो लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 and 12. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So we can say LCM of these 7 and 12 is 84. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization. Part D, 12 and 16. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16 and 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 carry on, 3 ones are 3. So LCM 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the least common multiple of 12 and 16. Exercise 11, question number 3. Find the LCM of the following numbers by short division. 2 tens are 20 and 25 is so on. 2 5s are 10 and 25 so on. 5 is divided by 20 and 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So least common multiple, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25 is 100. So 100, we can say 100 is the least common multiple of 20 and 25. Question number 3. Find the LCM of the following numbers by short division. 56 and 84. 2 to the 4, 1 carry, 2 8 the 16, comma, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14 and 21 so on. 3 7 and so on, and 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. LCM 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. 24 multiply by 7 is equal 168. So we can say 168 is this least common multiple of 56 and 84 of 56 and 84. Okay students, now we have completed our unit 3. Make sure the practice at your home. Thank you.